Hey there! Welcome to today's video on how to save money as an international student studying in the UK. Before we dive into this video, let me tell you that this isn't just any other budgeting video. I've got a unique, actionable framework designed just for you with specific resources that will help you save big in the UK. Trust me when I say this, after watching this video, you will not require any other video on financial savings abroad. Also, if you're new here and you don't know about us, we are Edvoy, an AI-powered app that is revolutionizing the study abroad experience for students just like you. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of our informative videos. As international students, we all know how crucial it is to manage our finances well and save money for unexpected expenses. But let me tell you, sometimes it might feel like it's impossible. So whether you're planning to move to the UK for your studies or if you're already settled there and you're struggling financially, then you must watch this video till the end because I've got some exclusive tips just for you that'll help you manage your finances like a breeze. So now let's quickly get into the video. So the framework that we have designed for you, keeping your challenges in mind, is the P.L.A.N.S framework. P.L.A.N.S. So the P in P.L.A.N.S stands for public transport. We all know how expensive getting around in a new city can be, especially in places like London. But guess what? With the 1625 rail card and the student Oyster card, you can save a ton on travel expenses. With these cards, you get discounted prices on trains, buses, and even the tube. So to put it into perspective, you can save up to a third on travel expenses, which you can use for something worthwhile later. Comment below if you want a detailed video on how to apply for the student Oyster card or the 1625 rail card. So the L in P.L.A.N.S stands for low-cost meals. Whenever a student moves abroad, adjusting to a new cooking routine or grocery shopping can be a real challenge, and this often leads to overspending. But now that you watch this video, that won't happen, because all you have to do is download the Too Good To Go app on your mobile. This app is a lifesaver for getting discounted meals at restaurants and grocery stores. So here's how it works. So restaurants often have to prepare fresh food for their customers. And at the end of the day, there's a lot of really good food that could go to waste. So with this app, you can get your hands on that food at a fraction of the price. So it's perfect for days when you're just settling in or you just don't feel like cooking. A stands for apps for budgeting. We tend to overspend because we don't account for all the small expenses that add up over time. Say you went out with a bunch of friends, you bought some snacks, you bought a pen, you bought a water bottle. All these small expenses, if not accounted for and not calculated, can sabotage your budget. So that's where budgeting apps like the Monzo app and the Revolut app come into play. You can download them on your phone and track your expenses in real time. They'll not only alert you on how much you're spending, but they'll also give you recommendations on where you can save. N stands for no spend days. Now I know that this tip might sound really challenging, but if you actually stick to it, it's a great way for you to save money. So basically, no spend days involve you picking a day or two in the week and not spending even a single rupee. For instance, instead of taking the bus to your university, you could go by walk or maybe ask for a lift. So all you have to do is analyze your spending habits and see that on which day of the week you can cut out all your expenditure. This is a great way for you to curb impulse buys and also be more mindful of your spending habits. Last but definitely not the least, the S in P.L.A.N.S stands for second-hand shopping, or otherwise called thrifting. Thrifting is a great way for you to stay fashionable and buy quality items at a fraction of the price. Apps like Vinted and Depop are perfect for you to find discounts on clothing, shoes, bags, and more. So not only do you save money, but you also contribute to sustainability by giving pre-loved items a new home. Now we've come to the end of the video, and as promised, here is the bonus tip. Build your credit history in the UK. Now I cannot emphasize this enough, but it is super important, and many students often miss this. Opening a student bank account and getting a small manageable credit card can help you build credit for the future. Pay it off in full every month and you'll be setting yourself up for some financial success. Good credit can help you get better deals on loans and rental agreements. And here's a bonus tip for those of you who are planning to go and study in the UK in the near future. Open a multi-currency bank account with a reliable bank like Revolut or Wise and start adding money to it right now, so that when you arrive, you will have more money to spend without worrying about the fluctuating exchange rates. Also, why not start freelancing even before you go abroad? Websites like Fiverr help you build an international client base so that you can have a steady income even before you go abroad. So that's all for today. If you like this video, then make sure you give us a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. So don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to help you thrive as an international student. Thanks for watching. See you next time.